Picking up a rental car at Rome Termini train station is easier than you might think. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get on the road smoothly. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to pick up your rental car at Rome Termini train station without the stress. The good news? The rental car offices are inside the station and the process is pretty straightforward. So let's get started. The rental car offices are located on the Via Giolitti side of the station building. Just follow the signs for Auto Noleggio and you'll find desks for Hertz, Sixt, Avis, Europcar and others. If you're already inside the station or if you're outside in Via Giolitti, it's just a short walk either way, so keep an eye out for the signs. At the rental desk you'll need a passport or ID, a valid driver's license, a credit card and your rental confirmation. Wait times may vary, but staff usually speak English and can answer any questions. If you're part of a partner program like Avis Preferred or Sixt Gold, you may be able to skip the counter and head directly to the parking garage to pick up your key, either at the rental desk or from an automated drop box. In this case, you've likely received all necessary paperwork in your email in advance, including the parking location of your car. But before driving off, double-check your rental contract and especially the damage report. We recommend taking a screenshot of it as it may not be available for download after returning your car.
Okay, so now we're ready to pick up our car, and this is the parking garage for all the rental car companies, and they're all situated on the first floor. So I'll see you upstairs.
Before driving off, carefully inspect your rental car. Check for scratches, dents or interior damage, take photos for documentation, and verify the fuel level and mileage. Having proof of the car's condition can prevent disputes when returning it. Now, in an earlier video we recommended taking a video of the car to document its condition before driving off. However, we recently got a valuable tip from our rental car rep. If you ever need to prove that an existing damage was there before you rented the car, the rental company's systems may not accept large video files. Instead, taking clear photos is the better option. Photos are easier to upload and share if needed, and ensuring you have a solid proof in case you're wrongfully charged for damage you didn't cause. So from now on, we recommend taking plenty of photos instead of a video. Before hitting the road, take a moment to adjust the mirrors and seats and set up your GPS system or Google Maps. Keep in mind that built-in GPS is not standard on most small to medium-sized rental cars in Europe. If you need one, be sure to reserve it when booking or bring your own device. Also, many smaller rental cars in Europe come with manual transmission. If you need an automatic, make sure to select it when reserving your vehicle. Exiting the garage is straightforward. Just follow the marked signs. Be extra cautious of the ZTL zones. Entering one without proper authorization can result in steep fines. And that's it. Now you're ready to hit the road and explore Rome. If this guide was helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels and enjoy the drive.